Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts. Are you tired of using the same old filters on your Instagram photos and want to discover new ones? Well, we've got good news for you. In this video, we'll show you how to search for filters on Instagram like a pro. First, open up your Instagram app on your Android device. Swipe right from your home feed to open the camera. Next, scroll through the filters located at the bottom of the screen by swiping left or right. You can also use the magnifying glass icon to search for specific filters. To do this, tap the magnifying glass in the Browse Effects tab. This will allow you to search for filters by name. Enter the name of the filter you want to use and select it from the search results. You can also browse through the suggested filters that Instagram recommends. Once you've selected the filter you want to use, tap the Save button to save it. You can find it at the bottom of the screen when opening the camera again. That's it. With these simple steps, you can now easily search for filters on Instagram and add a unique touch to your photos. So go ahead, give it a try, and let us know in the comments below how it goes. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.